McDonald's fries are iconic. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and undeniably delicious. But have you ever wondered what goes into making these golden wonders? Let's take a deep dive into the world of McDonald's fries, from spud to your tray. Decoding the ingredients. McDonald's fries boast a surprisingly simple ingredient list. You have potatoes, of course. Then there's oil for frying. The oil blend can vary but often includes canola, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil. A pinch of salt enhances the flavor. That's it for the basic fry. However, there's a bit more to the story. The fries also contain a few additives for texture and preservation. These include dextrose, sodium acid pyrophosphate, citric acid, and dimethylpolysiloxane. Not just any potato can become a McDonald's fry. The company sources specific potato varieties like the Russet Burbank, Ranger, and Shepherdie. These potatoes are chosen for their high starch content, which contributes to the fry's fluffy interior. McDonald's partners with farmers across the globe to ensure a steady supply of quality potatoes. These partnerships emphasize sustainable farming practices that prioritize soil health and water conservation. The journey from potato to fry involves a meticulous process. Each step is carefully designed to ensure the perfect texture, taste, and appearance of the final product. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. This initial cleaning is crucial as it sets the stage for the subsequent steps, ensuring that the potatoes are free from any contaminants that could affect the quality of the fries. Next, they are peeled, ensuring a uniform fry shape and eliminating any blemishes. The peeling process is done with precision to maintain the maximum amount of potato while removing the skin, which can be tough and unappetizing if left on. A specialized machine then cuts the potatoes into those iconic French fry shapes. This step is vital as it determines the size and thickness of the fries, which in turn affects their cooking time and texture. Consistency and size ensures that each fry cooks evenly, resulting in a uniform batch. To maintain freshness and prevent browning, the cut potatoes are blanched, briefly immersed in hot water. Blanching not only helps in preserving the color, but also partially cooks the potatoes, making them tender on the inside while keeping the outside firm. A quick dip in a solution containing dextrose, a type of sugar, helps achieve that golden brown color during frying. This step is essential for giving the fries their appealing appearance and slight sweetness, which enhances the overall flavor profile. Finally, the fries are dried to remove excess moisture, preparing them for the crucial frying stage. Removing the moisture is key to achieving that perfect crispiness on the outside while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. This drying process ensures that the fries will cook evenly and reach the desired texture when fried. Each of these steps, from washing to drying, plays a critical role in transforming a simple potato into a delicious fry. The attention to detail in this multi-step process is what makes the end product so irresistible. The secret to McDonald's fries' irresistible crunch lies in the meticulous double frying method, a process that has been perfected over the years to deliver that iconic taste and texture. First, the fries undergo a crucial pre-frying process at a McDonald's processing facility. This step is essential as it prepares the potatoes for the final cooking stage. During this initial frying, the potatoes are cooked through, ensuring they maintain their shape and structure. This is a key step in achieving the perfect fry. After the pre-frying, the fries are quickly flash frozen. This rapid freezing process locks in the flavor and texture and allows the fries to be shipped to individual McDonald's restaurants while maintaining their quality. When you place your order, the fries are fried once more in a blend of vegetable oils. This second frying is what gives the fries their final, deliciously crispy exterior. This second frying, done at a higher temperature, creates that satisfyingly crispy exterior while keeping the inside fluffy and tender. The contrast between the crunchy outside and the soft inside is what makes McDonald's fries so special and beloved by many. Finally, the fries are lightly salted and served hot, ready to be enjoyed. This meticulous process ensures that every bite of McDonald's fries is a perfect balance of flavor and texture, making them a favorite around the world. While the double frying process is crucial, the seasoning is what elevates McDonald's fries. Immediately after the second fry, while still piping hot, the fries are generously seasoned with salt. The salt adheres to the fries' surface, enhancing their flavor and adding a savory touch. McDonald's has experimented with different flavor profiles over the years. From seasoned fries with various spices to limited edition dipping sauces, the chain continues to innovate while staying true to the classic salted fry. McDonald's maintains strict quality control measures throughout the entire process. From the farms where potatoes are grown to the restaurants where they are served, every step is carefully monitored. The company has established standards for potato size, color, and sugar content. Frying oil is regularly checked and filtered to ensure optimal taste and quality. These rigorous standards ensure that every customer enjoys the same delicious McDonald's fries, no matter where in the world they are. Ready to serve. Packaging for freshness. Once fried and seasoned, the fries are quickly scooped into McDonald's iconic red and yellow cartons. The packaging is designed to retain heat and prevent the fries from becoming soggy. The carton's ventilation holes allow steam to escape, keeping the fries crispy. The bright colors and familiar design are instantly recognizable, adding to the overall McDonald's experience. The nutritional bite. What's in your serving? A medium serving of McDonald's fries contains approximately 340 calories, 17 grams of fat, and 48 grams of carbohydrates. While they are undeniably delicious, it's important to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. McDonald's has made efforts to provide nutritional information transparently, allowing customers to make informed choices. The company also offers healthier menu options, including salads and wraps for those seeking lighter alternatives. Fries with a conscience. McDonald's sustainability efforts. McDonald's recognizes the importance of sustainable practices in today's world. The company has implemented initiatives throughout its supply chain to minimize its environmental impact. In potato farming, McDonald's promotes practices that reduce water and pesticide use. The company is committed to sourcing palm oil, used in some frying oils, from responsible and deforestation-free sources. McDonald's also focuses on reducing waste through recycling programs and energy-efficient equipment in its restaurants. The perfect fry, a symphony of taste and quality. McDonald's fries are not just a side dish. They are an experience, a moment of joy in every bite. McDonald's fries are a testament to the power of culinary precision and a commitment to quality. It all begins with the careful selection of the finest potatoes chosen for their perfect balance of starch and moisture. From the selection of potatoes to the double frying method and rigorous quality control, every step is carefully orchestrated to create a consistently delicious experience. The double frying process ensures that each fry is crispy on the outside while remaining fluffy on the inside, achieving that perfect texture that is loved worldwide. Whether enjoyed on their own, dipped in a sauce, or as a side to a burger, McDonald's fries have secured their place as a global fast food icon. They bring people together, creating moments of shared happiness and satisfaction. The versatility of these fries means they can be paired with a variety of sauces, from classic ketchup to tangy barbecue, enhancing the flavor experience. So next time you savor that crispy, fluffy goodness, take a moment to appreciate the journey from potato to perfection. Think about the dedication and expertise that goes into every batch, ensuring that each fry you enjoy is of the highest quality. McDonald's fries are more than just a snack. They are a symbol of culinary excellence and a beloved part of the fast food culture.